It's recording, Michelle.
Hi.
What day is it today, Michelle?
It's day 24, March 30th.
It is. What are we doing?
We're hiking to Cosby Knob Shelter.
Yes, we are.
Today is a 13-mile day. We left at 8:52.
Yeah?
Right?
Yeah.
And not sure when we'll get there.
Yeah, we'll see. It depends on how many times we stop. It's been cold and windy today. It's supposed to be 61, but it hasn't gotten above the low 50s. And there's some wind, so it makes it slow. Or not slow, cold and fast, because we hike faster.
We're basically running most of the way.
Still some ice on the ground.
Yeah.
What's up? Day 24. Tomorrow we'll be heading in, or out of the Smokies and into Standing Bear Farm. We might take a zero there because it's supposed to get into the teens, and we are not equipped for temperatures below only like 25, I would say, is our bare minimum.
Yeah.
That would be pretty uncomfortable too. So we might zero there. And then on to Hot Springs.
Yeah, we went through the Smokies really quick.
6 days.
Yeah.
We good. And yep, everything's really green. We're walking in leprechaun land. It's been good. Until next time.